What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is my weekly tech pickups for the week of March 2nd to the week of March 9th. Kind of a slow week. Was busy with a lot of work events, so didn't get a whole lot of tech time and stuff for the channel. But for the last week, this is what did come in. Wasn't a dry week at all, but like I said, we've got basically 3 items. Well, 4, I guess, if you want to count that they're different cases here. So spec. We're going to be featuring these here in a separate video. These are iPad Pro cases. This is for the 10.5 inch, and this is the Balance Folio, and this is the Balance Folio Clear from Spec. And again, we will be doing a feature video on these 2 cases for the 10.5 inch iPad Pro. Still one of those iPads that are out there going strong. If you don't like that 11 or 12.9 inch iPad Pros, 10.5 I actually have and I like, and I also have the 12.9. You know, it just depends on the use case. If I want to use the 10.5, I really prefer that when I'm like just sitting on the sofa or in bed or something, just chilling. The 12.9 I really like when I'm out doing productivity work on it, and I have like the keyboard case and stuff on it. It's just got more real estate, so I feel like I'm using a laptop and just being a lot more productive. So again, it's your whatever your preference and your use case. Next up, video coming for this guy. This was a Kickstarter. This is for the Hyperdrive. Now, this is another iPad item here, but this is the first dedicated USB-C hub for iPad Pros. Okay, and these are the type with the Type-C. So the 11 inch and 12.9 inch. So you can see here, this is from Hyper. Again, they're well known for USB-C hubs and have been for a long time. But this one is strictly for the iPad Pros. Look at all these nice ports you're going to get in one spiffy looking aluminum. This looks like it should have been coming from Apple and not those white nasty adapters that they sell. Plus you get like, I don't know, 5 Apple adapters in one device here. 3.5 millimeter jack, USB 3.0, SD card, micro SD card, power pass-through Type-C. Oh, look at that, HDMI out. Beautiful. Plus a nice little thing here that isn't going to scratch your screen. If you have a screen protector, no problem. If you have a case that this might not fit flush on, no problem. They give you a dongle adapter. So you're just going to screw this little mount onto this and have a dongle. Very, very cool stuff. And they even provide the screw and the adapters here for you to change. Now, you will not get this beautiful little kit unless you backed it on Kickstarter. This little carry case is strictly for backers. Now, the Plunderbug. As you maybe noticed, I've done videos on pen testing tools and stuff like that. This is a brand new pen testing tool, or anti-pen testing, I guess, if you just want to see protect your environment, or you want to do some troubleshooting by network sniffing. This little guy, the Plunderbug from Hak5, was released this week. And again, it's a network sniffer. And you say, like, how does a network sniffer work, or any of that kind of stuff. So what's special about this guy is, so it almost just looks like a LAN extender, where you basically you know, you're gonna have a short cable, I'm gonna plug in here, and then I'm gonna use a long cable and get to where I need to go. They make those. It's just called like a LAN extender. But this guy here, a little bit different in that this guy captures packets to, yes, USB-C provided cable. So you can plug this guy, put a wired Ethernet on both sides, so you're basically in the middle sniffing packets, and then you can plug this into a laptop, even an Android phone if you so happen to want to, and you can use Android based PK file snipper or readers to read your PCAP files, and you know, be even more portable and read network sniffing in an Android device. Anyway, you could use Wireshark 2 on a laptop and just, you know, use this to do that. So the Plunderbug, new sniffing tool, nice little pen test tool, or protection tool, or just troubleshooting tool, or whatever that you can use. That's definitely going to go back into my pen test, or my, you know, hacking tool bag, I guess. I did a video. I'll link it right there if you're interested in that. The original one. I'm about ready to do an update, guys, so stay tuned. We're going to get through a personal privacy and data protection series first, and then we're going to go back and see my updated bags. I've got a lot of new tools, hardware and software, so we'll go through them. And if you guys want tutorials, we can do that too. A lot of crazy stuff coming down the pike. Anyway, guys, my weekly tech pickups for March 2nd through the 9th. Show note links. If you're interested in any of this stuff, I'll have it down in the show notes down there. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and have a good one.